Airline employee died in ramp accident at Charlotte Douglas International Airport. An airline employee was struck and killed in an accident at Charlotte Douglas International Airport. The accident happened on a paved area near the gates, where airplanes park to load and unload passengers and baggage, commonly called the tarmac. The crash reportedly occurred when a vehicle hit an American Airlines employee working in the area. No airplanes were involved in the incident. The accident was between employees, and no others were involved. The accident did not significantly impact airport operations. What happened to cause the accident? The details of the accident at the airport are not fully known at this time. What we do know is that the area around an airplane at the gate is often quite busy. Airline employees are loading or unloading baggage, often using carts and conveyors. Employees must drive trucks with baggage carts to and from the location and position them near the cargo hold. In this case, one vehicle was involved. The employee was struck by a vehicle and, sadly, died from his injuries at the scene. It is possible that negligence was a factor in this particular accident. Investigation to occur. An investigation into the cause of the accident will be conducted. Typically, airline employees belong to a union, which will likely evaluate the cause of the accident. In addition, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, and other agencies may investigate the accident to find any safety issues that could have been involved and to provide instructions for any changes in procedures that may need to be implemented in the future. An investigation will be similar to any other vehicle accident. Officials may get witness statements, view camera footage, and recreate the way the accident happened. What to do if you are injured in an accident? Accidents can happen anytime, even when you are at work. The negligent party is generally responsible for expenses related to an accident. When an accident or injury is work-related, it is often the employer's responsibility to provide benefits such as medical care and workers' compensation. In some cases, the employee may need to file a claim in court in order to seek money for damages. Damages may include medical expenses, lost wages, money for pain and suffering, and more. It is important to note that in North Carolina, you may only get compensation for an accident that was not your fault. A knowledgeable personal injury attorney will evaluate your case and help you understand your options.